This is what happens when we come to do a project. It starts raining like a storm.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike.
And I'm Amanda, and we're MikAnda.
And today we're doing a project on a truck camper.
Yeah, we're gonna be working on making an outdoor shower enclosure. So that we can shower off over here and then just kind of walk from the shower over into the camper without having to worry about anything. So we'll have hopefully if it works right, we'll have a curtain up around like this, blocking us off.
So the plan is to like have a curtain from the shower, from the shower all the way, wrap around all the way to the door, so we'd be able to take a shower outside and just walk into the camper without showing everybody our business. But yeah, we saw this idea in Truck Camper magazine.
Yeah, I think that's what I said. And they said that basically they just bought this suction cup, right? That's all it's called?
Yeah.
The suction cup lifter from Tractor Supply. And this particular one is what you need because it has these holes right here, which are gonna be important.
Yeah, and that fits a 1/2 inch PVC pipe.
So essentially we're gonna use it kind of like this later so that we can get it up here on the camper, and then that'll give us the pole supports for our shower enclosure to come out. We also bought a couple of these elbow brackets to use as well, so let's get to it.
Okay, we gotta go to Home Depot. We'll be back. Okay, so we're back from Home Depot. We had to get this in 45 so we can go from the this to the ground.
Yeah, because obviously it needs a little bit of a support. To test it because we don't have one yet. So let's see how long this one is. I think this one's 17, right? Yeah. So this one's 72 inches long, which we've been finding that's how much all of them are.
Let me show you what we got. So this is our concept right here. It's not perfect, but it has a little room for improvement.
Talking about putting a mount right here.
Yeah, putting a mount there. We'll get another shower head, a little more better one. And then get 2 extra long shower curtains, one that goes all the way to this corner, then one that goes from here to this corner. And then we have a free range to go into the camper after a shower, and we can use the ladder as a towel rack. So I think it'll work pretty good. It probably takes 2 minutes to put it together. If you know anything about truck campers, they don't have very large tank sizes, so this is the reason why we're doing this, so we can use less tank size.
Conserve on our water usage.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially like nice during the summertime. Just rinse off here, shower inside.
Especially if they got, I mean, the outdoor shower has hot water. I mean, why not?
Yeah, it's nice.
I guess we'll test it out next time we go out. But I mean, we could have made it a lot smaller. We could have made it to like come out to here.
Yeah, actually the one that we saw that we took the idea from, it was just a square.
Yeah.
And it came back and actually went back into the same piece.
Yeah.
So we've elaborated it to include this little walk area into the shower, or into the camper. But yeah, the one that we saw, it just was maybe like a 2 foot by 2 foot square. It came back and hooked back into here.
Yeah, and we saw that on Truck Camper magazine.
Yeah.
And we'll put the link in the description of that one that we saw.
Yeah, because it was a nice breakdown of how they did it, where they got all their supplies, including the red suction cup handle, so it was pretty nice.
which is Harbor Freight.
Seems like we're gonna get rained on again.
So if y'all have any other ideas or how to improve it, let us know in the comments, or tell us we did a horrible job.
Yeah, we just need to invest in our shower curtains because of course this is from the guest bathroom, and I think that's about it. Maybe get another pole. That one seems to be okay.
Yeah, I'm sure as time goes by we'll think of ways to improve it, and trial and error. So we also installed our welcome sign.
Caribou.
We got this from Africa.
I like it.
Alright, so we're done with the shower curtain.
Just in time. It's raining now.
Yeah, it started raining, so we're done for the day. I think what we're gonna do is what we did on this side with the pole is we're gonna put poles on each of the corners to make it a little more stable. So I think we're gonna try that next. But since it's raining and it's about getting close to dark time, we're gonna call it a day for now and just take the rest of the day and chill out. Right, Rox? Right?
That's all right. As long as it involves petting.
Yeah, so that's it for this video, and we'll catch you on the next project adventure.
Whatever it is we come up with.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment,
Subscribe.
tell us if you like our
Contraption.
yeah,
If you hate it,
yeah, tell us if you hate it. I don't care.
yeah. I'd like to know your thoughts.
Sit there and yell at me. I don't care. But we'll see you in the next video. See you.
Bye.